Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai vehicle guys. We will demonstrate how to remove and replace the radiator fan. Also we will explain how we can test radiator fan and the top reasons why radiator fan doesn't work. We'll explain about that information as well, so make sure to stay until the end. We'll be demonstrating on a Hyundai Sonata, but that same design radiator fan has been used in multiple vehicles and the video could be helpful on Hyundai Sonata, Tucson, Santa Fe, Hyundai Elantra, Veloster, Accent, multiple Hyundai vehicles. So all that will be covered in this video and we'll explain how we can save you quite a bit of money as well. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So specifically we have that 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on, but even if you have a SUV or other ones, the procedure is about the same. This is your radiator fan. What we'll recommend first, always disconnect your car battery. Okay, first because the radiator fan, if it turns on and your fingers are there, it can condemn off. Second, you don't want to be disconnecting electronic components, okay, when you have current in the vehicle system. And on these modern Hyundais guys, it really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first, otherwise you can cause serious damage to the engine, computer, electrical system modules, and that can cost you thousands of dollars to fix guys. So now you need to remove, on most Hyundais you have an air duct, something like that. This air duct guys is where the engine gets its air from, goes to the air filter box, okay, you can see, and in most cases you will have something similar like that. You will need to remove 2 bolts on the front and you will be able to lift it up. So we will explain, okay, how to remove it now and get to the fan. Now you just pull it up and get it out. You can see it just attaches to the air filter box right here. This is guys the radiator fan now, okay, that we have right here. And you will have under that air duct usually the connector, okay, for the fan. Press down there and disconnect it. That's where the radiator fan resistor is located, and we have a special video that explains what is a radiator fan resistor, what it does and how it can prevent, okay, make your fan not to work guys. So excuse me. Now 10mm socket usually, and you will have one bolt on one side of the fan that you will need to remove. Okay, check it out right there. Coming out. Next, you need to come to the other side, okay, to the passenger side of your Hyundai vehicle, and you have another bolt on the fan, okay, located, okay, you can see it the same place but on the right side, okay, or facing the vehicle will be the left side. So 2 bolts that we need to remove that hold the fan in place. We'll explain what else you need to do. Perfect. Now, what else guys? Right here we have another 10mm socket that we need to remove for the upper radiator hose. And you have to be careful not to break your radiator when trying to pull that radiator fan out. So, car battery has been disconnected, fan's been disconnected, that's great. This is the bracket, okay, right here. It needs to come in an angle like that, then pull it out, okay, you can see, and we can pull it towards the back. Now that fan guys, okay, you have, okay, let me explain now. You have, okay, I'm trying to focus here, let's just get 1 second, that connector I need to pull out. Okay, you have one notch right there, okay, check it out, you need to spread it, and when you do, grab the fan and pull it up to come out of there. Okay, perfect, the same thing needs to be on this side. Okay, that one right there, and pull up. Perfect. Now let's see how the fan's gonna come out. First we'll lift it up on this side only guys. Okay, let's explain now. Okay, let's see now. We will, no, we got it stuck. 1 second, it's complicated thing guys. Okay, trying to get it out. without breaking something. Okay, so we need to go here down on this side. Let's try to go down on this side a little bit. Okay, one second. We are stuck in the clip of the radiator right there that we don't want to break. So let me just get it out. Okay, let's go just a little bit this way, 1 millimeter. Okay, perfect. I'm trying to come out. Okay, perfect. Now it's going to come in an angle there. We're going to lift up on this side. Okay, and we're going to grab the bottom and come out of that clip. Okay, and that hose is pushing quite a bit here. Okay, give us a second, guys, and that fan will come out. Okay, it's stuck on the clip on the bottom. 1 second. Okay. Perfect. The radiator fan comes out on that Hyundai. If you have an SUV, it will be even easier because you will have more room, guys. But you can see those are where the two bolts are located. Right here, the two clips over there, and they attach to the radiator down there. So safely we were able to remove everything without breaking the radiator or anything like that. If you want to see how to test the fan and the top reasons why fan doesn't work on a Hyundai vehicle, we have the video on the channel, so please feel free to check it out. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.